Hello, welcome to this video for the Ford Ranger. It's a 3.2 Wildtrak turbo diesel automatic. I'm going to get straight into the action here. Let's look at the condition of the bonnet. As you can see, very good condition. Very slight little mark there on the bonnet. That's it. That's all I can see. Everything else is very good. Front grille, it's in good condition. A few little stone chips to be expected. 93,000 miles. As you can see, tidy, very tidy. No scuffs there. The fog lights, the lower fog lights, they're all there. That wing's in good condition. Alloy wheels very clean. Alloy wheels very good. It's got the Michelin front tyres. Tread very good. The wheel arches are clean. Got the mud guards there. Got the side step as well. That's a side step. It's a Wildtrak. So track is spelled T-R-A-K. It's a Wildtrak. The paintwork is very good. To be fair, no tar spots there. No dents or scratches on that door. Back of that wing mirror very tidy as well. It's not cracked. No water there. All the plastic's nice. That windscreen's good. A couple of very light surface scuffs there, as you can see right in the middle of the screen there. Not a chip, it's a surface scratch from the stones. That's in zone B. The roof at the front, that's all nice and clean. You can see got the wind deflectors as well. Wind deflectors up here. It's got the security marking as well. As you can see, that's that sticker, and that's the security etching on there. You can see the numbers. The glass is all nice, that's not cracked, it's all clean. No scratches around the door handle at all. All nice. And there's no dents or scratches on that door whatsoever. This rear door, that's nice and clean, same as the front door really. Very clean. Nothing on that. No marks around the handles, etc. That's all nice. The fuel cap here. The fuel cap is just diesel as well. I don't think, no, this one's not the AdBlue, it's just the diesel, this one. There's a very slight scratch there, lack of scratch, very slight, as you can see. Must make you aware of that. Looks like someone's maybe caught that with the filler handle, you know what I mean. And then that wheel arch is very good, as you can see. And that back panel is very good as well. Really nice in the sun, as you can see. Up there it's got the mud guard. That back wheel as well, that's a really nice clean wheel. It's also got the Michelin tyre as well. Very good depth tread, and all the wheel arches nice and clean. Okay, the lights at the rear, they're all nice. That rear bumper cap's nice. It's painted obviously graphite colour as well, so it's the orange and the graphite colour. Then up here you have the silver and graphite runner and the graphite top there. That's all in nice condition. And then obviously we've got this. Let me just pull this from this side, if I can pull it. Pull it from the middle. I have to get that later. So inside here, let's pull this down. We've got the dampers as well. So the dampers there, dampers, which is additional extra. So you buy these on top. So dampers there help it, rather than just the wires, just the cable. This has actually got the dampers as well. All this is in reasonably good condition as well. Expect a few scuffs on there, as you can see, a few scuffs on there from people getting in and out, and that is about it. And then all that's nice and clean, as you can see. Just going to get up there and pull the shutter up, so just bear with me. Okay, I'm up here now. So I might use two hands for this one. Yeah, that's it, two hands, pull that back. Alright, okay, there's a jump off. Too old for this. That's the brand of the lock, and the that's all working. All that tailgate's nice and clean as well. That's the reverse camera there as well. Reverse camera right there. All that there. So we just jet washed this out, so that's all the bits of sand what's come out. In the bike reverse sensors as well. It's all nice condition. And as you can see, the lights are nice and clean. That panel's very clean as well. There's nothing out of the ordinary there, no dents or scratches. This is all nice, and that is all nice and clean. This alloy wheel here, that's very good as well. So all the alloy wheels are very nice and tidy. This is a Continental tyre on this side. It seems in good condition, and all that's nice and clean. The mud guard as well, so you've got all 4 mud guards, and then you've got the side step there. Paintwork on that door is good. So is the driver's door. Look around it, make sure there's no scratches around the door handle, etc. Looks like everything's original, even the sticker for the Wildtrak, and there's no different shades of orange, so all the panels look the same shade, so it doesn't look like any panels have actually been painted. They all look good as well. Back of that wing mirror is very clean, as you can see. This side of the windscreen, there is one chip in zone A, so there's one chip there, so I must make you aware of that. See that chip? There's one chip there, so there is one. Okay, down here, that's all nice and clean. Back to the front, and that's it for the outside of the vehicle. Oh, that tyre and wheel, that's really good. That's a Michelin. So we've got 3 Michelin and 1 Continental tyre. Let's go to the back. This side, it's in good condition. Usually on these are all scratched because somebody has been trying to put objects in the back and use it for work, but this is nice and clean. This is very clean. So all the glass is clean, the roof lining's all nice and clean, it's not marked. Free headrests, free seat belts, and the leather is immaculate. As you can see, the leather is very good. We've got the drinks holder armrest. If we pull that down, drinks holder armrest there, 12 volt down here, and they've got storage underneath here. Now I'm going to have to use 2 hands for this, but there's a storage there, and then also the seat comes down at the back. As you can see, there's your jack and brace kit there. That's all nice and clean. All that's nice and clean as well. There. John, you've got rear carpets for this?
Yes.
Yeah, right, okay. Yeah, okay. The plastic ones, right, okay. We're just checking. We have got the rear carpets for these. They are the plastic ones, so we have got them. They're just drying out, just being valeted. Okay, so all that door's nice and clean. Same here, it's got the Isofix child anchoring points down there, so you can have the baby chairs in there. And all that's nice and clean. No damage on this leather at all. All these are nice and clean. No cracked speaker grills and no dirt down there. It's all nice and clean. Even the black paint on the Wildtrak, that's all there, it's not been jet washed off. All that's nice and clean as well. Got the carpets in the front, the fabric ones. There's no trap seat belt marks, there's no worn rubber. That seat's got the embroidered Wildtrak logo, and you can see it's in lovely condition. And it's also heated. That's heated, but it's manual seats. This is a manual seat adjustment. The driver's seat is electric. So just going to get back into this door here, the driver's door. As you can see, all nice condition, electric windows, all this is nice and clean. Door shuts, the tweeters there as well, so nice tweeters there, and then obviously speakers there. All the foot pedals are nice and clean. But it is very good condition for the little bit of wear on that sill there. They all wear just there, a little bit of paint there when you get in and out. The paint's very thin on the Fords, unfortunately. That's where it is. And then obviously there's a few trap seatbelt marks to look out for there. So I must make you aware of that. Obviously, I'm not going to lie, that's what's happened. So it looks like the seat belts there have been trapped there for some reason. And that is it. That seat there, good condition. That's very good there, as you can see, for the mileage. And down here is all very good as well. And it's not cracked at all. That's very good. Electric heated seats, that's electric seat as well. And then obviously we've got the leather armrest as well down here. Let's get into the car here. So in here we've got the reverse camera, which is there. So if we put that into reverse, it comes up, that's the reverse camera incorporated in the rear view mirror. That's the reverse camera. Okay, up here we've got the sat nav, put it into reverse. It also shows you the park pilot on there as well. So we've got the reverse parking sensors, so we've got both. If we switch this on,
you're gonna win some money.
So this is the radio. Let's turn that down. Obviously that works. Is it DAB? I think it is DAB, you know. FM? No, it's not. It's not DAB, this one. It's not DAB radio, but it is all there as well. Is it sat nav? It has got a map here, so it has got a map. So yeah, it is okay. So it has got this map. So it has got sat nav. It's a little SD card. So that could, if it probably needs updating, because it's a 2015 card on that one now. As you can see, the menu, the nav, the phone, the radio, and then also you've got the heated seat at the side of the seat, the button. So this is a dual zone climate control. So as you can see, it's all working as well, and the air conditioner is cold as well. We've tried it, so it is cold. So the air conditioners work. You've got the heated front screen there. That's the heated front screen. So if you're not sure if you can see the heated wire elements in that screen there, if you look carefully, you can see the wires. So it's a heated front screen, and down here you've got two 12-volt lighters there as well. You've got the switchable four-wheel drive system there, two-wheel, four-wheel high, four-wheel low, and the automatic gearbox data. And then you've got the drinks holder there, the lever gator there, etc. The locking wheel nut is there as well, and then we've got storage in there as well, and that is about it. What have we got now? We've got the electric folding mirrors, so that should work. So if we press that button there, yep, it works, and then we press it again, it comes on. That's it. So that works. That's good. You've got your there as well, volume control, and your cruise control as well. Cruise control. So just look under the bonnet now to do. So if we look at the mileage today, as you can see there, 93,000 miles. So if we look under here, we've got the service history and leaflets, which we can show you. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, the air conditioning is very cold. I'll switch that off. Off. There we go. So, MOT and looked after the same garage over the years. So this MOT was done 19th of October 2022 by this company called MJ Motors Burstow, and the mileage was 93,666. So it's only done about 200 miles since then. We've got the service book, and all the service book, the previous MOTs was done by the same garage in Burstow, and you can see it's been stamped there. It was serviced last year at 90,000 miles, so it's only 3,000 miles since it's been serviced. And these are up to 20,000 miles or 2-year service intervals. That's what they say, that's what they recommend. So it's up to you if you want to leave it that long, or you want to do it at 10,000. But it's only done 4,000 miles, and it's not due a service until next year, or in my view, every 10,000 miles. Okay, so it's got all the previous service stamps, as we can see in this booklet. Where is it now? Let's have a look. There, and then obviously there as well, it had new glow plugs and a timing chain kit as well. That was, the date was 2019 at 67,000 miles, and that was by this company here, Kingsway Cars, and they did it as well. So it was originally registered S61, which was the Rotherham Ford dealer, Rotherham near Sheffield, and then Kingsway Cars service it. So it's had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 service stamps. 6 service stamps. We've got a logbook as well. So the last owner was an engineering company at that address there, Yorkshire Rose Engineering Limited, at that Rose Unit 40. And then they've got the last old logbook here, which is Old V5 Unit 4, different name. That's all. They had to change name for insurance purposes, so they had to change the logbook to put another owner on it. So as you can see, 3 former keepers there and 2 former keepers there. So we've been told it was first keeper was the Ford dealer, and then 1 keeper, and then this company's had it. So it's really had two keepers, theoretically, 2 keepers, or 2 different drivers. That is it. We've only got 1 key for this vehicle, unfortunately. That's the key for the shutter there. I'm going to switch the engine off because I'm going to look under the bonnet now, and it's a bit loud under the bonnet. If we don't, because the microphone on the camera is a bit sensitive, so it makes the engine sound very loud, which it's not. So I want to lift this here and look under here. So we've got the bonnet stay there. There we go. Heavy bonnet, big bonnet. So this is the 3.2 V6 Duratorque TDCi engine. As you can see, very clean condition as well. All the plastics are nice. It's HPI clear, by the way, so it's not been involved in an accident claim at all. Everything's nice. Antifreeze is nice and red. It's had a new chain kit, to be fair, so it would be. They would have changed everything. They would have changed the water pump as well. And all up here is nice as well. Okay, so I'm going to walk around the vehicle once more. Lovely colour. I've got to give it that. It is a pearlescent orange colour. I know it's very expensive to buy the paint for these as well. Because we did have a van once which was sign written, and they pulled all the sign writing off, and all the van had to be painted, and it cost £500 just for the paint to paint the van. So it's expensive paint, but it's a lovely colour. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you soon.